x dot right. So I'm adding some extra line. Welcome to the world of happiness. So just click here. So already A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3 text is there. So we are appending some value to the existing file. So if you run this, it ran. Now let us see. Let us check the file. It is an orchid. Welcome to the world of happiness. New line I added. I'm living in India. We are citizens of the world. World is one village. All are part of it. It is an orchid of different color. So welcome to the world of happiness. So this last line I added nicely. Okay. Uh, okay. This is what mm, read, write, append. Three things are there with the files. So three modes. Okay. Three modes. That is in files. Files we have three modes. Three modes. First one, write mode. Next one, read mode. Third one, repeat append mode. So write mode, read mode, append mode. So three modes are there. So when you open the
Arvind ji,
file, ah,
Ananta is like having some network issues from his side.
okay,
From his side, not from your side. So he
ah,
said he'll just refer to the recording.
okay.
Yeah.
Then you open a how this is coming. Okay. Yes, So write mode, read mode, append mode. When you open a file, open a file in the write mode, in the write mode, if a file exists a file exists already చెప్పండి. already so then the file will be erased. The file will be erased and file will be erased and a new file with a new file will be created with empty contents empty. So that is what a write mode is. So when you open a file in the write mode, if the file already exists, then the file will be erased and new file will be created with empty contents. So how you will open a file in the write mode? X is equal to open double quotes file name next comma mode write mode W write mode. This is the write mode way of opening. Next read mode. What will happen if you open a file in read mode? What will happen if you open a file in read mode? So you can extract the contents but cannot modify it. Modify it. Just getting data from the file. Just getting data from the file. It is called read mode. So how to do read mode? X is equal to open, just to take any file name, file already there, comma read or. So file with some content is already there. Just how to read it? X is equal to some variable is equal to open, file already is there, and comma read, W read. So something is there in the file, you are reading it. That is the second thing. Next, you want to open a file for appending. So for that, what is the procedure? X is equal to open file already there. Next, A for append, A for apple, A for append. Please don't forget mode. So next, already file is there. You want to. Are you able to see my screen, Trupti? Are you
Yes,
there?
yes.
Okay. Then. Thank you.
I am
Thank
also
you. God bless you.
viewing the screen.
Okay. Thank you. God bless you. Okay. Already file is there, but you want to. Already file is there. You want to add more information and modify it. This is a good mode. This is very good option. This is a very good option. Appending. So very good option. This is appending mode. So this way you can append. These are the 3 modes. Extra modes are there, but and one more extra very beautiful mode that is given in Python only. That is next mode, X mode. X mode. That is, if this is also one kind of write mode. This is also one kind of write mode. This is one kind of write mode, but if any old file is existing with the name you have chosen, it will not kill the old file. It will not kill the old file. It will warn you. It will raise an error. And keeps old things safe. If is like a variable var is equal to open name new mode. This is the command. So like that. This is the one kind of write mode. Very important. The 4th mode, that is X mode. One kind of write mode, but if any old file existing with the name you have chosen, it will not kill that old file. It will raise an error and keep the old things safe. So what is the syntax of it? So variable name, so open. So like that you have to do. These are the open mode. Next 4th one we have to add X mode. Very important. These 4 modes are very important. So many other modes are there. Please remember these 4. That is good for you. X mode.
So if you're not sure whether the file name is existing or not, it's always advisable to do in the X mode.
Very good. That is there. If you are very suppose you have created some important data, you kept in one file, you forgot that file name is there, so that file is there. Just you wrote accidentally, you have chosen the same name, and it will not erase that. Safe write mode. So safe write mode, we can say this is the 4th mode. So this is the thing. So these 4 modes So first one is write mode. It is very dangerous mode. Actually, if the file is there, it will just if the file is there, then it will kill that file and create a new file with that mode. Empty file. If the existing file is there, some data is there, that will wipe out the data and create a new file for you with empty contents. Empty. It is empty, and you can write anything in that. Next, read mode. Already existing file, some data is there. You are going to take the data out of that file. That is called read mode. That you will print in the program or do some processing or anything. Next, append mode. Append mode means already some file is there, some information is there. You don't want to disturb it. You want to add some additional information to the existing file. Then append mode. Next, fourth one is it is similar to write mode, but if any old file is there, it will raise an error. Okay, I will show you just now this abcd.txt is there. I'm going to so xmod. I am opening this. It is in the current working directory. So error raised. File already exists. File is existing. It is saying file is existing. So it is one of the beautiful mode, means a very good mode, so that it will not spoil your existing files. That is what is called. That is what is called. That is what fourth mode. That is so next append mode. I am adding append mode. You can add more information. So I have appended this. So I have appended this file with one more new line. So we are the I am added new line. So in that come in the 7th line. So that is the thing. So this is what this is what is happened. So append mode. Next, read mode. Just let us see if we can print all the contents of the file. Read mode. So next dot read line. Yeah, okay, x dot y is equal to x dot. So actually, we got okay. We are citizens of the world. All are part of it. Welcome to the world of happiness. Like that, it came. So read mode, it is reading the contents from the file. Okay. So that is the thing. Okay, okay. Vastuna. So like that. So like that it came. So it is happily as per very lengthy syntax, but we can make it short. Just I can eliminate these two lines and put here print A also, but your understanding I did all this. Okay. Now this also we can make a short code like this. So this is the short code that we can do, but for digesting you in the initial stage, it is difficult. That's why I made long code, but shortcut you can make. So that is the good way we can do. So shortcut is good or bad, that you decide. So for A in X, it in Python it is sometimes it is a bad language. Some people say because of too many shortcuts are there. So this shortcut X is the file contains all the file contents. So one line you are taking out in the A variable and printing A. That is simple. Using that read line function also you can do in a lengthier manner. That is your wish. So extracting line by line using the read line, reading a line, it is the thing like this. So this is the this is the actually the read mode thing. Next, okay, write mode is over, X mode is over, read mode is over, append mode is also over. So these are the 4 modes that we were discussed in the files. Please remember this. This is very good. This is all text file. This is all. This is this is the method of processing the files. So in 4 modes. So that is please remember this. This is very, very important. So to store the data permanently to a persistent storage. Persistent storage means permanent storage, like hard disk, pen drive, memory card. These are all persistent storage devices. These are called persistent storage devices. So to store the data permanently, we are using files. In that files, we how to open the files. We have 4 modes: write mode, read mode, append mode, and X mode. X mode is a safe form of write mode. And next thing, whenever you open a file, you must close it. Otherwise, some output will not be, you will not get correct output. That is the only problem. You will not get the correct output. When you do not close it, no error will come, but you will not get the correct proper output, whatever the output is requested by the program. That problem you will raise when you close that. Next thing, so these are the things. Next, very, very, so next one more thing. So this is what is brief overview of the files in Python. And so temporarily, whatever if we are writing any program, the data will be erased after you close the program. But that is a problem with real-time applications. So real-time people need that must be stored in some file or somewhere, so that that will be processed. For example, if you are doing any banking transaction, for example, you are withdrawing 1,000 rupees from the bank. So bank should store in some file, or some database or somewhere. So if they do not store when you withdraw, how you withdraw, which point of time you withdraw, they are unable to answer for your account related queries. I have deposited this amount, so you may forget that. So I withdraw, you enjoyed ice cream and you enjoyed biryani and all that, but you forgot that. You forgot all. So you demand the same amount that you then bank people will take out the records. Mr. Srinivas, your account is this. You withdraw this time. You enjoyed that Bawarchi biryani next day. They will tell everything. So that recording is very much necessary and very much important when you take up real time, real world applications like bank or supermarket or anything or any transaction you are doing. It is very important to store the data permanently. That's why we are dealing with files in Python. So file systems are very important. This is called text files, whatever we are processing. So another type of files will be there, that is called binary files. They use it to store the images and all. So those are called binary files. These are the text files. 3 modes we opened: read mode, write mode, append mode, and one more mode is X mode. So okay. So some small disturbance happened. Shall I wind up now? I have to. Okay. Any doubts are there for you?
No, but I'm just going to try this in Google Colab.
Okay.
No
Okay.
doubts.
Yeah.
You please do some 2 to 3 problems, Ananta and Trupti. Kindly try to do 3-4 problems. Create your own yourself.
Yeah.
You are all